Hi guys, it's me. Let's go through. First, let me drink. Should I see? My C2, guys. I don't know why it's cap lahi. Hard talaga mag-English. Mag-Bisaya na lang ta. Okay. Does that count as ASMR? Because I didn't hear anything. Let's go, guys. Where are we going? So this is where my sister and my dad and my auntie has to sleep. I can't hold on to the view, bro. The view is just too perfect. I won't show you at the end of the video. We'll show you. Yes. Just no basher, please. No basher. So ganda nga dito, guys. Ang init talaga. This is where my tita and my cousins live. Their room. Grabe po. There is where my tita and my cousin live. Their room. And then, grabe talaga paghapon, guys. Grabe talaga. Among gipang kuha among gipang exchange ang among mga tickets to notebooks from na katong Flores de Mayo. Ako ig-agaw, katong lalaki nga ig-agaw kay nakakuha sa certificate. Anya ako manghod ug ako ig-agaw, ang ako ig-agaw na first sa ilang test.